All right, you guys, so I'm about to do a relaxer touch-up. So I wanted to show you this client's new growth. Okay, so she's worn braids all summer. Okay, so you can clearly see where her new growth stops, about right here. Okay, she has, when you stretch it out, she has about 2 inches of full new growth. Okay, so it stops right there. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how much relaxer I put on there to show you that you can, when you have enough, then you can stop exactly where you need to stop without going on to any more of the relaxed hair. Okay, so I'm just putting it, I'm not putting it on her scalp, but literally I'm going down and stopping right at where her line of demarcation is. Okay, so I do not apply any to the scalp. Remember I said that the relaxer is not supposed to burn? So I'm literally stopping exactly where I see where her relaxed hair is, and then I'll just continue like that.